body to tackle issues facing Northeast people. Chief Minister Biren says Congress leaders have gone Dhiren. And financial aid pours in for poverty-stricken family of college girl Sanatoy. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is Silky Chanambam with the news in detail. The first Northeast People's Conference 2019, jointly organized by civil society organizations, CSOs of Northeast State under the aegis of MANPAC, Manipur People Against CAB, wrap up at City Convention Center, Imphal today. Representatives of various civil societies from the Northeast State who participated during the three-day conference deliberated on a series of issues confronted by the people of the region. Addressing the media at City Convention Center, Chairman of the Organizing Committee, Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar, said that MANPAC decided to organize such conference during a public meeting held on February 16 with the main objective to thoroughly discuss the issues and outcome of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 and to oppose the bill. He further said that during the conference, delegates of all Northeast states also decided to form a common platform for the Northeast people, christened as Northeast Forum for Indigenous People, NEI-FIP. He also mentioned that NAFIP will try to tackle issues faced by the people of the region and work together to continue opposing the controversial CA Bill 2016.
ILP Sanariba se Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, amasung Mizoram, ahum asidasu high riba kano se thangai se makoy shape oirabra hairagadi makoy shape oidi. Even ILP sana na aduguma migrant singduna adum ayat pa chauba kaima pirokpaduna high riba illegal migrant ki issue si amna major issue mo oi aduna masi Northeast ki miyam punna thengnamina si haibagi wafam sima thamgibani.
Political parties in poll-bound Manipur are fighting each other hardest to woo voters as they are back in game. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today mocked the Congress party, saying the grand old party has gone Dhiren. Hailing his government's efforts towards Manipur's integrity, Biren also said the Hills have begun talking about oneness and integration. He was participating in a flag hoisting ceremony cum public meeting held in support of BJP candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan, who is contesting the upcoming Lok Sabha polls from Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency to be held on April 18. The event was organized by Election Committee of BJP Manipur Pradesh at Kongba Saudopung, Lampak, where Dr. R.K. Ranjan, former Manipur BJP President T.H. Chauba, ministers, MLAs and several party leaders were present. Addressing the public meeting, Chief Minister Biren urged that all BJP MLAs and members should stay vigilant and attack the opposition Congress. He said the grand old party, which is full of lies, is trying to deceive the people as the party has gone Dhiren. Biren made it clear that the ADC chairman, Lukho Seijo, who was arrested on drug smuggling charges, is currently under trial and that no wrongdoers will be spared. The Chief Minister continued to target the Congress and said the divisive policy of the party is no longer existed now. He said the people of the Hills have now started focusing on strengthening Manipur's integrity, which is a sign of improvement in the relations between the Hills and Valley. Biren then claimed that Narendra Modi will come back to power. He also appealed to the electorate to elect BJP candidates in the scheduled polls.
Congress minority majority minority majority na dong congressional law la ko se kadi sense for frequent sense na to ude only last 2 years ago sense na we kari ban later rocket later strike later singa ta ban sina da later umkhat da later tumba nungang ahin kung baro ba bazar amba manipur
Speaking during the public meet attended by hundreds of people coming from different assembly constituencies of inner parliamentary seat, the BJP candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan stated that he is preparing to join the fray on the plank of development for the state. He assured that if elected, Manipur would be made a hub in the region to bring about the changes in the economy.
World-class institutions, universities, luxury bio-resource, also human resources, proper trend order. Nasi activity hogai ko khongje la siba ekoi mainom yana isam thona saruk yawo nongna ba adu mana arol se ekoi uthuna bidamta bharatiya janata party na nasiga lecturely hayasimuga I have not considered.
Days after Tom TV carried a sad story on the life of one Moirangtham Sanathoy, a college girl and her ailing parents and little sister, financial aids to the poor family are pouring in from generous individuals. Among them, Head of Physiology Department, Janims, Dr. Laisram Devan Singh, extended a financial help of Rs 15,000 to Sanathoy's family today. Dr. Devan said he was indeed very grateful to Tom TV for presenting such stories of human interest.
The lady Bakogi Sagai Zat, Havati Zat Bizati Naidana, Kogi Hindu Boiro, Musalman Boiro, Christian Boiro, Koi Angamamba, Quena Tava Powshindo, the Mafam Salasalaga, Koi Angamating Pangzaraga, Koi Lady Ba, Kogi Koi Warba, Solana Singsibu, Quena, Kamaintogana, Magi Minung Sigi Makada, Quena Masibu, Quen encouraged over the gay, putting half with the gate, Hawaii Sangsi, Koi Karena, Moi, Kankat Nabahabitare. Masi uena ba haidana koina onajarak pani adu masida koi ngarang si koi gi Tom TV na sandok pirak padagi koi masigi pau si tajarak padagi ngasi pau si krai de legi ma mayum si krai de no ana koi nanga chara kan da koi gi madugi confirm tok jara kan da koi jaga sa lakjabani masi ahakna pau si ta badagi koi gi egi marum pang sing su koi gi magi angam mateng pang minasi haidana ina pau je pije khibani smain tok duna koi awana taraba koi imunung saida Jagum Laban Pimsa Seda, Quena Ting Panglaga, Agi Saitaki Su, Digi Mayamgi, Kanga Sanava, Mayamgi, and put a laminative Mayamsi, Sinong Mamsina, Angamama Ting Pangarakanda, Equina, support Torakanda, Makoigi, Wakal Sekara, Koi Kankanaba Habitate, Aduna, Muiba, Mana Muiva Angi, Minungsi, Adu, Yangarakanda, Dominazi Hava from the Tamsaka, Luna, Kanma Pausis, Maintonas, and Upiba Gidamakta, Quena. Tom TV su koina ngam kheli tana thagasari soina kasin koyada Manipur ge jaga jaga da awana taro mayam jing se koi punna support tominasi haina wapum se hana thamjari.
Thanking Tom TV for its kind gesture, Moirangtham Sanathoy expressed her heartfelt gratitude to the TV channel and said her family is also indebted to all benefactors.
Tom TV ki mai gai sandok pidana mayam na mateng pangmibaje Yam Nungaji, Aina, now PG, and Amarudra Kanjarubane, the Mayam Gina, Pangbi Mateng Juba, the Inang PG, Yang Bangamanikalu, the Yam Harawe, the Mayam, Mateng Pangbi, the Kudimo Tagasjari.
The 32nd convocation of Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, was held today at IGNOU Regional Center, Asahol, North AOC, Imphal. On the occasion, Manipur Governor Dr. Nazma Heftullah called on the students, stating, "The knowledge and skills you have acquired in university will serve you well. Create an identity for yourselves in this world and make the alma mater proud." Addressing the program, Dr. Nazma further said, IGNOU has also been recognized by UNESCO as the world's largest higher learning institution. Apart from catering to the educational aspirations of millions of students worldwide through its 21 schools of studies, 67 regional centers and 4 sub-regional centers across the country, the university has a significant international presence with a networking of 12 overseas study centers, she said. "I am happy to learn that the university is also offering affordable education to the underprivileged students and reaches the doorsteps of the learners with each excellent student support service system," Dr. Nazma said. She urged the teachers to ignite the minds of the young in such a way that throughout life they have a quest for knowledge and a desire to make it world a harmonious place to live in. The Manipur governor also said that research in universities must be emphasized and promoted to a great extent. Now let's have a short commercial break.
Hello, good morning, sir. Welcome to Lamjingba Motors. How may I help you?
Lamjingba Motor na miyam da kana ba piri basing se kari no.
Khudong chaba kaya ma pizari. Aikoina phanganjari ba products sing di trucks, tippers, haulage, bus, amasung genset ne. Documents ichang dana adomi sale amadi matam manghandana loan gi khudong chaba pizari. HDFC Bank, Lamjingba Finance amadi Shriram Finance kasu khutsamna na junction minari. Matik charba khutsu khulai amadi crane yauraba. Aikoi gi sport servicing van adongi damakta matham pungbada leijari. Bus sing yon madanatana school, college, universities, office ki dama contract basis ta lobi bagi khudong chaba su thamjari. Amadi genuine lay parts sing su pangdigani. Adongi mai pakpana aikoi gi mai pakpana.
Advanced Coaching Institute, Nagamapal, Lamabam Laikai, near Rims Road, opposite Koirenge Auto Parking. Science stream, the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur Loba, Class 12 ki parikha, the 3rd position, Yumnam Devjit, 9th position, Akojam Badal Singh, 9th position, Konika Nomaitem, 10th position, Asem Koronganba, 10th position, Laistam Iboba Maitei, 15th position, Haubam Arvind Singh, Amadi, 17th position, the Sagul Sem Biki Singh Ne. Arts stream da Anisaba position Takraba Takhil Sangbam Sunaya Devi, 3rd position Yangkom Gunchenba, 4th position Texan James Singh, 5th position Boirangthem Loya Ngamba, 7th position SS Obed Kharam, 8th position Takhilamam Ores Maitei. Separated boys and girls hostel.
Welcome back. Cops continue to carry out search operations in Manipur's capital city, Imphal, ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's scheduled visit to Manipur. The police have taken up security measures in the city to view of the visit by Modi. Here's a report.
Continue to carry out search operations in Imphal city ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Manipur. The police have tightened security in the capital city in view of the scheduled visit by Modi. The Prime Minister will arrive in Imphal on April 7 to campaign for BJP candidates contesting the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. A team led by Deputy Superintendent of Police Operations Lamabam Amarjit under the supervision of Imphal West SP K. Megasandra searched the areas of Kaisamthong Top Lerak and Hodam Lerak under Imphal Police Station around 5 am today. Door-to-door search was conducted at 200 houses, during which verification was conducted on 350 people. However, no arrests were made. Meanwhile, under the command of Imphal West Additional SP Operations Aziz Sharma, Imphal West Commando Bazar Unit also conducted search operation in and around Tangal Bazar, Haukaitel, Dharmasala, Alugali, Rupmal Tang and VT Road under City Police Station in the wee hour today. 385 people were verified in the operation. 15 people who could not produce proper documents were detained by the city police for further verification. On the other hand, cops continue to hunt for the absconding chief of Kangleifa Communist Party Kasifi faction leader T.H. Nando, who escaped from the Zanim's Male Auto Ward on 25 March. Frisking and checking was conducted in and around Senapati district's Maugat along Imphal Dimapur Road by a combined team of Imphal East Commando and Mau Police, led by Imphal East Deputy SP Operations Herojit and 2nd in Charge Commando Rajiv.
The body of 36-year-old BSF Inspector Alex Lalminlun, who laid down his life during a heavy firing between Pakistani forces and Indian Border Security Force in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir, on 1st of this month, arrived at the Imphal International Airport today. Families, friends and fellow colleagues of the slain BSF personnel offered floral tributes to his mortal remains before the body was brought to his native village to perform his last rites. In connection with the brutal rape and murder of late Monica SZ16 of Yaripok, Lerongthen in Thoubal district, 3 persons allegedly involved in the crime were produced in the court of Special Judge Pokso, Thoubal, amid an angry crowd today. The court remanded the 3 accused to judicial custody till 16 of this month. The 3 accused are identified as Laisangthem Asakumar from Lerongthen Makhalaikai, Khomdram Joychandra from Lerongthen Awang and Khumanthem Rabichandra from Lerongthen Saban Laikai. It is also learned that they have already confessed to the crime. On the other hand, the JAC formed against the killing of Monica along with several people jointly staged a sit-in protest against the incident at Yaripok Bazaar in which the demonstrators demanded justice. It is worth mentioning that the Chief Minister has assured that the JAC yesterday that the case will be handed over to CBI for probe. The Kuki Chiefs Association KCA Chandel has said that Kuki Buddies of Chandel district will support the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate Benjamin Elias Shokopau Mate in the 17th Lok Sabha election. Speaking at a press meet held at KCA Gunpi block office at Munpi village, Saukomang Haukip said that the decision to support H. Shokopau Benjamin Mate came after a joint meeting was held with the Kuki Chiefs Association KCA Chandel, Khengjoy of Gunpi block, Kana Block, Kuki Women's Human Rights, KWHR, Chandel, Thado Students Association, TSA, Gunpi Block, United Joe Organization, UJO Chandel, Zo Sangnaupang, Paulpi, JSP Chandel, along with the leaders of Joe Mother Association, JOMA. He added that they will also try to work hard to ensure that Mate win this election.
So until Lok Sabha elections, Koise so mayam tana bani masda wari pumna lobe se lingjen manana Chandel district le riba mayam na ko BJP candidate BJP party da support torse na wari ndare.
A one-day training program on spawn production, mushroom cultivation, vermicompost and food processing, organized by Rama Foundation, Nagamampal, was held at Tera Kongsangbi, Awang Lekai Community Hall yesterday. The training program was held in collaboration with Women's Skill Development Society, during which many experts gave training to the participants. Royal Events will organize a mega talent show at Lamyan Basanglen Palace compound. The aim of the show is to provide a platform to support and enhance projects, programs, and activities for talented and to motivate youth of our communities and to provide an appropriate competitive forum for displaying of their talents in the performing and visual arts. Auditions for the show will be held for 4 days starting from April 29. The jury members of the talent show are film director Romy Mite, folk singer Laurembam Bedabati, actor and singer Hamom Sadananda, and musician and folk singer Riven Masangwa. The show will be exclusively telecast by Tom TV.
Manipur se malem gi map ta yenga matamda khoi gi yetum maton da pakpa leba amu chawbalam nate adubu pikraba khoi gi ramdam sidigi sanaba amasung tonganba art form kaya na khoi gi sawro malem sida chaw mafam madi kalle aduga tongan be hiram kaya da hojik khoi ni amna chawkhalam ne through satellite tv gi kano sing sida haita through khoina lam da haita malem gi mafam da pangthoi ba khoi gi tongan ba talent show aduga tv reality show mayama ubire ado nangai khoi di amna lapna di leina khanba dubu ngasi di khoi yam nungai riba moment si Royal Events na koi gi sumaina Manipur da koi gi mega talent show ma pangthok ko dori si masi Manipur da yan hanba masung khwai di yamna phaba platform ni maram di Manipur si talent na pick thanba lamne adubu akoi gi Manipur da leba mi sing yaw riba talent sing si gi magi madubu expose ona no madubu uchana na bagi platform si di yam ni rei leitaba aduna isagi agi talent si unna no khona bada tongan ba tv shows mayam na ubire India Got Talent kumada masi even si yong no ba khona ba bok ta khoi gi north east ki level da mu audition this series of audition Mumbai Delhi sumaina si mayam to adubu hojikti Manipur da yan han boina khoi gi Royal Events na mega talent show si next season dagi di soidna si dagi first taba winner si dum direct audition phase ani kalaga India Got Talent ki kugi Mumbai da direct adum final round da yawgi kanosima wala kadone.
The first KCA Junior Under-20 Chess Tournament 2019 will be held from April 11 to April 13 at Uripo Kwesnam Lekai, Baldeva Hall, informed Kanglei Chess Academy Imphal in a press release. Now let's have a short break once again.
Lamzingba Nidhi Limited ki members singda akaknaba matam kharakaki oina khudongchaba sing pizari. Khudongchaba sing adudi saving account hangbada chada lupa taruki interest pizagani, fixed deposit amadi recurring deposit ki oina chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani. Daily deposit ki oina su chada lupa taragani thoi makhai interest pizagani. Karigumba members singna business loan, personal loan natraga mortgage loan laubiragadi sada lupa taragani pandagi lupa kungi apik pasendoi haibadi reducing rate ta loan lobiba yagani. Akaknaba matam kharakaki oiba khudongchaba sing asi lobiranaba member singda ningsingjari. Masiga loina na kanagumba member oidriba singna member oibinaba ekhoigi office ta lengsin birau amadi akupa marol sing tanabiu. Ekhoigi address Lamzingba Nidhi Limited near Nityananda Mandir, Nagamapal Rims Road, Imphal West. Mobile 9366857001. Email lamzingbanidhi@gmail.com. Website www.lamzingbanidhilimited.com. Lamzingba Jewelry na adom gidama khwaidagi asengba sana khwaidagi ahongba sana asamalda fanghanjari. Ekhoigi service singdi inat ki oiba design sing ready made ta fanghanjari. Singnaningai oidraba asengba sana khaktamak pizari. Manung matam sana order delivery sing pizari. Sana asamal khwaidagi nemna logzari. Nomaizing numitsu adomgi service ta leizari. Ngasimak lengsin birau Lamzingba Jewelry Private Limited, DM College Road, opposite Memsi Mall, Thangmaiban, Imphal West. Email lamzingbaJewelry@gmail.com. Website www.lamzingbagoldbank.com. Contact us at 764293445 and 940-299-2391. Lamzingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Well, this is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend a whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back. The Congress today alerts that Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu's motorcade has carried bundles of currency notes to be distributed to people ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's public rally at Pasighat. Addressing a press conference almost at the same time as Prime Minister Modi's rally, Congress Communication Chief Randeep Surjewala asks why a case should not be filed against Prime Minister Modi and Chief Minister Pema Khandu, among others, for violating the Representation of People's Act. Surjewala alleged that administration officials, including Deputy Commissioner, Election Commission observer and police officials, were seen in the video. Mizoram Chief Electoral Officer Ashish Kundra has appealed to a conglomerate of civil societies and student bodies to reconsider its decision to boycott the April 11 Lok Sabha election in the state and observe indefinite ban from April 8. The NGO Coordination Committee had on Monday said that it would boycott polls to the Lon Mizoram parliamentary seat if special polling booths were established in the state for Bru refugees staying in the neighboring Tripura. Kundra urged the civil societies not to deprive the people of their democratic rights and to ensure that people of Mizoram has representation in parliament. He said that as far as he knew, there was no agreement that the Bru refugees will cast their vote in those polling stations of Mizoram where they were enrolled as voters. The NGO CC had earlier threatened to launch agitation if temporary polling stations were set up for the Brus. The organization was of the opinion that those living outside Mizoram should not be allowed to vote in the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address an election rally in Manipur on April 7, while BJP National President Amit Shah will address an election rally in Manipur on April 5. Modi will address a public rally at Hapta Kangzebung. Manipur has 2 Lok Sabha seats, Inner Manipur and Outer Manipur. The voting for the Outer Manipur seat will be held on April 11 and Inner Manipur on April 18 respectively. Benjamin Mate is the BJP candidate for the Outer constituency and R.K. Ranjan is the party nominee for the inner seat. Congress President Rahul Gandhi has addressed 3 back-to-back election rallies in Nagaland and Assam today. Dimapur in Nagaland being the first one to address this morning. Nagaland's lone Lok Sabha seat is going to polls on April 11 in the first phase, while Congress has fielded veteran KL GC for the seat. The state's ruling Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party-led alliance has fielded Tokeho Yepthomi. Later, Rahul Gandhi addressed the second rally at Bokakhat in Assam's Golaghat district for sitting Kaliabor MP Gaurav Gogoi, followed by the third rally at the stage Lakhimpur district for party candidate Anil Borgohan from Lakhimpur constituency. Both Kaliabor and Lakhimpur seat will also go to polls in the first phase on April 11. Now let's have a look to some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Only Congress can save democratic India, says Ivobi. Biswajit bats for BJP candidates. Northeast Conference moods United Front. Bomb found planted at Little Flower School. The People's Chronicle. Custodial death. C Minister tweets no one. Protests continue. Ansam condemns custodial killing. Secular Democratic Front vows to back INC. BJP shedding crocodile tears for Northeast, says Ivobi. Congress almost non-existent in Manipur, says Vavananda. BJP's jotting ridiculous Congress charges. Imphal Free Press. Man claims paying Biren's brother for release of Kuga contract bills. Congress demands clarification. Lok Sabha poll. 4 poll parties from SDFM to support Congress party. BJP admitting defeat in 17th Lok Sabha poll, says Gaikhangam. NPF will be there to hear voice of small communities, says Awangbong Nyumai. ZUF warns NSCN-IM UNC to stop interfering in polling activities. Manipur Mail. 4 political parties announce support to Congress. Indian Army kills 3 Pakistani soldiers. Former RBI official joins Congress in Meghalaya.
Before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. Northeast civil societies plot new body to tackle issues facing Northeast people. Chief Minister Biren says Congress leaders have gone deranged. And financial aid pours in for poverty-stricken family of college girl Sanathoi. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more update. Thank you.